Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 2. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes. First of all, what we have to learn? Phonization. Right? Yes. In our last class, we identified the beginning, middle, end sounds in 3-letter words. Today, we will learn how to read the 3-letter words by joining the sounds. See the board, my dear children. See this, my dear children. Look at the board. I don't know how to read this word, but I know the letter sounds. Let us see how to read the word by joining the letter sounds. Right? See that? What is the beginning sound? P. P. In our left hand, what we have to touch that? Yes, in our shoulder, right? Next, middle sound. What is the middle sound of this word? E. E, right? Where we have to touch our left hand? Yeah, very good. Forearm. Forearm, right? Next, what is the end sound of this word? T. T. Where we have to touch that? Yeah, wrist. Wrist. So, my dear children, you use your left hand, shoulder, forearm, then wrist. Beginning sound, middle sound, end sound. Now, we have to read this word, pit. 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 One more example, see now. See the next word. What is the beginning sound? F. F. Middle sound, E. E. End sound, T. Beginning sound, where you have to touch your left hand? Shoulder. Then, middle sound, where is that? Where you have to touch that? Yes, forearm. Next, end sound, where you have to touch that? Wrist. So, shall we read this? Fit. 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 So, are you clear, my dear children? This phone is pit and fit. So, this slide you have to use your left hand. Okay? Yes. Are you clear, my dear children? Now, you will open your SR book, page number 44, SR 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your SR book. Yesterday also we read this, right? Again, it word family. Hit, hit, sit, sit, sit. Right? Once again, H-I-T, hit, S-I-T, sit, K-E-T, kit. Kit. P-I-T, pit. One more examples. Pit, fit, lit and wit. Then, ig. Ig word family. Keep your finger like this, my dear children. Fig. Fig. Pick. Pick. Wig. Wig. Dig, dig. Next, pig, big, jig, jig. Keep your fingers, read along with me, my dear children. Rig, rig, zig, zig. So, are you clear, my dear children? See this, here having some sentences, right? First, I will read this. Okay, I feel in a, this is a it word family, how we have to read that? Yes, letter sounds. We have to read this. P-E-T, pit. I feel in a P-I-T, pit. You also read this like, okay? Next one. I was H-I-T, hit. H-I-T, H-E-T, hit. Like this. Hit. H. Next. I did not like it. B-E-T, bit. I did not like it a bit, right? Next, Seema made me a E-T, shit, sit. She got the first aid, K-E-T, kit, right? So this slide you have to practice this. Here also having some sentences, okay? You have to read the whole words. After that, use the sounds. Read the egg word family. Right? Phonic sounds. You have to use that. Example. I see a P-E-G. Big. B-E-G. Big. Big. This B-E-G. Big is B-E-G. Big. This slide you have to read the sentence. If a phonic word you have to cross, that means you will use the sounds, okay? Are you clear, my dear children? So from this to eat word family and eat word family, read this in your home. You have to practice this. Next, I will teach you your whole words. Shall we recap the last previous level whole words? Now you will take your SR book, SR 19, page number 62. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your SR book. So yesterday we learned some whole words from this previous levels. Now I will show again CRL. I will read the word, you will touch your finger from your SR book, okay? Yes. We have to read this word. We do not use the letter sound to read these words, right? Yes. From. Great. You also read along with me. Great. Touch your finger in your SR book. Many. She. Yeah, did you recall that, my dear children? Yes. From today, I will introduce you new whole words. First of all, I will show you a flashcard. After that, we will see some example sentence from that related whole words. Some. You also read along with me. Some. Live. Read along with me. Live. Land. Read along with me. Land. Water. You also read along with me. Water. Bird. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will show you example sentences. See the CRL. Some live on land. Live. Some live in water. Some live in water. Fish live in water. Land. We live on land. bird, bird. Birds lives on trees. Bird lives on trees. Yeah, do you understand, my dear children, from today's whole word session? Yes. Now I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension. Now you will open your SR book, SR4. Page number 47. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your SR book. See this is the SR4. We are animals. Today we will read a story about how we are all animals, right? Before we start reading a story, I want to revise 2 things. What are that? Characters and settings. A character is a person or animal in the story, right? Setting is the where is story taking place, right? Now I will read that story from SR1, SR4, right? Yes. So you have to keep your fingers or pencil this like, okay, while I am reading. We are all animals. Author Namita Gold. Illustrations Girti Benha. You will see the first page. You also keep your finger this like, my dear children. Look at me. I am a boy. Look at me. I am a boy. Look at us. We are animals. Look at us. We are animals. Right? See this. Who is the character in this page? Yes, boy, right? Next, where is the character? Yeah, that means settings. Where is that? Home, right? Yes, what this boy? What is the character doing? What this boy doing, my dear children? Looking or sitting like that. Next page. Look at see. We are all animals, right? Who is the character on this page? Animals, right? Where is the characters? That means setting. Where is setting? Forest, right? What they are doing? What the characters are doing? Looking and standing, right? Yes. So while we are reading, we have to complete this column like that. Character, setting, action. Action means sitting, looking, standing like that, having no. We have to write this column, okay? Yes. Take the next page, my dear children. See this. I have eyes. I have eyes. They help me see. They help me see. From this page, who is the character? Boy, right? Where is the setting? Yes, park or garden. What is boy doing? Seeing. Very good, my dear children. Next, we also have eyes. They help us see, right? Then this page, who is the character? Yeah, very good. Animals. Where is the setting? Where is this place? Forest. Yeah, very good. What they are doing? Yeah, seeing, right? Next. I have ears. They help me hear. I have ears. They help me hear. From this page, who is the character? Yes, boy, right? Where is the setting? Where is this place? Yeah, home. What is boy doing? Great, my dear children, hearing, right? Next, we also have ears. They help us hear. From this page, who is the character? Animals. Yeah, where is the setting? Great. Forest. Right? What they are doing? Yeah, they are also hearing. Great, my dear children. Next page. I have a nose. It helped me breathe. From this page, who is the character? Yes. What is that? Boy. Where is the setting? Road. What is boy doing? Breathing, right? Yeah, next page. We also have a nose. It helps us to breathe, right? Who is the characters? Yeah, animals. Where is the setting? Yeah, forest. What they are doing? They are also breathing. Next. I have teeth. They help me eat, right? Who is the character? Boy. Then setting, house. What is boy doing? Eating. Then next page, we also have a teeth. They help us to eat. Here characters, animals. Settings, field. Right? Next, what they doing? Eating. Take the next page, my dear children. We can do the same things. Yes, we can. This means we are all animals. So boy and animals are the characters in the story, right? Yes. Settings, field, right? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will show the CRI. Okay, from this vocabulary words. Hear, breathe, teeth, animals, right? Now I will show the CRI. In your book, you have to find out the vocabulary words, okay? Here. You have to find your SR book, my dear children. Breathe. Teeth. Animals. These are the vocabulary words from this story. See this, my dear children. We have to characters, settings and actions. We did that, right? First page. Boy character, setting, home, action, looking and sitting. Then second page, animals, forest, looking and standing like that, right? So, we discussed with these answers, right? So, are you clear? Character and setting, action. What they did, that is the action, right? Yes. So, now you will take your worksheet number 2, page number 53. Question number 1, we have to do now. We are all animals. Fill in the table below. Characters, settings and actions. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. You have to write now. I will show the answers. Okay. You will pause the video and then write it. See this, my dear children. Fill in the table below. We discussed the characters, settings and actions from that story. We are all animals, right? So you have to pause this video, then write the answers from your worksheet. Question number 2. Worksheet number 2, question number 1. Fill in the table below, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. So you have to pause that video and then write the answers. Next, I will teach you a grammar session. In our grammar session, what we have to do means action words. What we have to learn about? Grammar, action words. In the last class, we read the pages on the reader and circled the names of a person, animals, place and thing, right? Today, I will say a word and I want to do the action, okay? With me. I want you to do the action with me, my dear children. Yes. You want to do the action? Shall I say the word? Stand. Stand. That means endrish nikkarathu, right? Stand means nikkarathu. Jump. Jump. Jump means jump. Jump பண்ணுவீங்களா? That is. Clap. Clap your hands. Clap. Clap. Right there. Dance. Dance. Right? Yeah, my dear children. These words such as the stand, jump, clap, dance are called action words. What are they called? Action words. Now I will show you one CRP. You listen carefully. Action words. Words tell us what people, animals or things do. Example of different action words are, see this. What this boy doing? Draw. Draw. Then here, run. Run. Sit. Sit. Dance. Dance. So these words are called action words. நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோமோ that is called action. Okay? Yes. So for the example, look, நம்ம பார்க்கிறது, hear, கேட்கிறது, sit, stand, clap, jump, bend. These are the action words. Now we have to identify the action words, right? Now you will open your SR book, okay? SR 4, page number 47. I will give you 5 seconds time. You will open that page. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. So this is the SR4 page number. We are all animals, right? See the first page. On this page I want to underline the action word like this, right? Yeah, look at me. I am a boy, right? Yeah. What is the action word here? I told no. Look. Look. What is the action word? Look. Look means பார்க்கிறது. Look. So we have to underline this word. So this is the action word, right? Yes. So page number 2, you have to see that. So this is the, here the word look is an action word, right? Look means பார்க்கிறது, right? So shall we do this like action words from this story? Yeah, page number 2. Look at us, we are all animals. From this we are having action word. Yeah, look also action word. Look means what? Already I said பார்க்கிறது. Next, I have eyes, they help me see. Here having an action word? Yes, help. Help me, உதவி. See means பார்க்கிறது, right? So we need to put these two words underline. This is the action word. நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம்? ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு, ரைட்? நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம் அப்படிங்கிற செயலை உணர்த்துறது தான் action words. We also have eyes, they help us see. Here also help and see is the action words. Next, I have ears, they help me hear. Here help and hear. Here means நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? கேக்குறோம். என்ன பண்றோம்? கேக்குறோம். So that is the action word help, and here are the action words here. We need to put underline. We also put underline, my dear children. Next, we also have ears, they help us hear. Help and hear are the action words, you put underline. Next page, I have a nose, it helps me breathe. What is that? Breathe, right? So help and breathe, you have to put underline. Here also, we also have a nose, it helps us to breathe. Help and breathe. Next, I have teeth, they help me eat. என்ன பண்றான்? சாப்பிடுறா. This is the action, right? So eat, சாப்பிடுறது. Help and eat, you put underline. நாம என்ன செயல் செய்யறோமோ that is called action word, okay? We also have teeth, they help us to eat. So here help and eat, you put underline. Yeah, great, my dear children. So this is the action words. Are you clear? நாம என்ன செயலை செய்யறோம் அப்படிங்கறத that is செயல் தான் action words, okay? Once again in our grammar part, action words. நாம என்ன செயல் செய்யறோம்? Jump, run, play, write, read, they are called the action words. Okay, from your book you put underlined, my dear children. Yes, if you are not finished means you will put underline. Just you have to understand the action words. Okay, clear that. Great, my dear children. Next I will teach you a writing and speaking expression skill. Today we read the story We Are All Animals, right? While reading that story we learned some new words with meanings, right? Now let us see those words again. I will show the CRL. Here, here, here. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Animals, animals, animals. Yeah, great, my dear children. We will practice using these words to complete sentences as we did in the last class. Okay. Now you will open your worksheet number 3, question number 1. See this, my dear children. This is the worksheet number 3, question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Page number 54, my dear children. Yes. Complete each sentence by using words from the box. Right? See the first one. This is a dash. This is a dash. First of all, we will read the boxes. Okay? Breathe. Breathe. Here. Here. Dog. Dog, boy, boy. Shall we read the sentences? Yes. This is a dash, right? See here, I can see the picture of a dog. Now I will check the words in the boxes and see if anything matches. I will fill in the blank with the word after that, right? What is this? I see the picture. What is the picture? Dog. Now I will check out this. Here having any related word? Yes, dog. What is the answer? Dog. So now I will write the word here, dog. Right? Next, the dog can dash. Now I will see the picture. Yeah, what he is doing here. Right? What he is do that here. The dog can here. You have to write this word. Next, this is a dash. I see the picture boy. Now I have to see this column boxes. Yeah, boy word here having. So this is a boy I will write. The boy can. Yeah, this boy breathe. Here having any word from this? Yes, breathe. So we have to write this. Yeah, see this, my dear children. Dog, here, boy and breathe. You have to pause this video and then write the answers. Yeah, next we will take your notebook, my dear children. Now I will give a practice for letter writing. Uppercase letter D, E and F. Then lowercase letter D, E and F. Okay. See this, my dear children. First I will teach you a uppercase letter D, 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 D after E, D after E, E after F, E after F. Okay, then lowercase letter D, D, lowercase letter D, D after E, D after E, E after F, E after F. Yeah, great, my dear children. Once again, uppercase letter D, E, F, then lowercase letter D, E, F. You will write in your notebook each letter 5 times. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. From today's class, what we learned, shall we revise? Yes, it and it word families, we have to recap that, then read the sentences. Then whole words, live, some, water, land, bird. So we learnt about new whole words from your SR book having, right? You will read that whole words. Then reading and listening comprehension, what we did? Yeah, we read one story. We are all animals. After that, we noted about the characters and settings and actions from that story. What are the characters? A person or animal in the story is called characters. Setting, where is the story taking place, is called settings. Action. What is the action? Action means sayal. Right? We did that. We have to complete that worksheet also. You have to pause the video and then complete that, my dear children. Next, grammar part, we learnt about the action words, right? Action words means what? Yeah, we did some actions. What are they? Jump, clap, dance, play, sit. நம்ம என்ன செயல் செய்யறோம் அப்படிங்கறத உணர்த்துறது தான் action words, right? Next, writing and speaking expression. What we did? Yeah, we saw the CRL again. After that, we complete the worksheets. Then, upper and lower case letters G, E and F. You will write 5 times in your notebook. Then tomorrow you will bring the color pencil. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Happy learning, my dear children.